Indicators, they're supposed to make life easier when you're trading, but how do you add them to an MT4 chart? That's what I'm going to talk about in this short presentation. This is a ATFX MT4 account, and I'm using the $CAD to show you how to add an indicator. There are two ways of adding them. You can simply click on Insert Indicators, and then the guys at MT4 have been kind to actually arrange the indicators into different categories, and you can just click on one of them. And usually when you do, a dialog box comes up here, and you can actually choose the different settings available for you. And here we're just gonna go ahead with this one and click on OK, and you can see that all the different lines here loaded. If you now want to get rid of this, it's also very easy too. You just right click on the chart, and then you click on indicator list, and you're gonna see the indicator that you're looking for. You can edit the settings, or you can just delete them. Another simple way is just to click here where it says F for function, and then you see the same markets again, or same indicators again, and you can sort of choose what you are interested in. So let's see if we can add this one. This is a relative strength index. Now, something is quite interesting, and it's important to bear in mind, is that many times these are just the default settings that the developer of the indicator used. So in the case of the RSI, it's something that's been around, I think, for at least 30 years, if not more. And the 14 period one has been the classic one. But I do recommend that you study and see which period works better for the different markets. There's a lot of people online as well that do research on these different indicators, do what we call back tests, and that can give you a bit of an edge on the market. All right, that concludes today's quick update on how to add an indicator to MT4 chart. Don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to check out our other videos that we have in this series. Thank you.